Well, I figure I'd do a ceiling fan video today, or a couple maybe. I got this fan off of Facebook Marketplace. It's in my guest bedroom. It's a little 36-inch Harbor Breeze. Just your basic little white ceiling fan. It's a 5-blader. I got this one and a little 30-inch 6-blader for, shoot, I think it was $25 for both of them. This one here is nearly new. Only thing is, one of the blades is a little warped from where they left it sitting on one of the blades. But I'd tell you what, it's a smooth runner. Moves a lot of air. It's honestly too small for this room. So I'm gonna figure we'll fire up real quick. Here's high. See, one of the blades is warped a little bit. It's the only time it really waddles is on high. And then medium. It looks like one of the blade brackets is bent. And then low. Anyways, it's just a little quickie. I'm trying to see if my internet works any better. The last video I did, I was in North Carolina at my wife's relatives, and they have really good internet, so I could upload a 3-minute video with no problem. So, thanks for watching.